Hello, welcome to Jamaica Folklore Animated. The sun hangs softly over the Jamaican countryside, painting the hills in shades of green that only the Caribbean can create. Morning dew sparkles on broad leaves, and the sweet scent of fruit trees drift through the air. Long before pharmacies and modern medicine, Jamaicans turned to these very trees for healing. Knowledge passed down from grandparents who understood the land like a close friend. Today, many still walk through their backyard or piece of land, picking leaves, boiling roots, or crushing herbs to soothe pain, strengthen the body, or cure stubborn illnesses. In this documentary, we journey deep into Jamaica's natural pharmacy, exploring 7 fruit trees that are more than food. They are medicine, tradition, and survival. Their leaves carry stories, remedies, and wisdom that continue to shape Jamaican life. Let's step into the yard, under the shade of these healing trees, and uncover their powerful benefits.
Here are 7 Jamaican fruit trees used as herbs, their benefits, and how to use the leaves. 1. Mango tree leaves. Mango trees grow everywhere in Jamaica, from roadside to backyard. Beyond the sweet fruit, the leaves are powerful for healing. Benefits: balances blood sugar, reduces inflammation, helps with respiratory issues, strengthens immunity, and improves digestion. How to use: tea. Boil 5 to 7 young mango leaves in 2 cups of water for 10 to 12 minutes. Steam. Use the boiled water to steam face for sinus relief. Soak. Leave mango leaves overnight in water and drink the mango leaf water in the morning. 2. Guava tree leaves. Guava is more than just a juice fruit in Jamaica. The leaves are one of the country's strongest natural antibiotics. Benefits: stops diarrhea and stomach infections, tightens gums and helps toothache, lowers bad cholesterol, reduces blood sugar, and helps menstrual cramps. How to use: tea. Boil a handful of young leaves for 12 to 15 minutes. Mouth rinse, boil leaves, cool the water, and gargle for gum issues. Skin wash. Apply the cooled tea to acne or rashes. 3. Soursop tree leaves. Known across the island as a powerful healing leaf, soursop is popular for deep health restoration. Benefits: strengthens immune system, helps with sleep and anxiety, reduces inflammation and pain. Used traditionally for certain chronic illnesses, helps detox the body. How to use: tea. Boil 3 to 5 leaves in water for 10 to 12 minutes. Bath. Add the boiled leaves to a warm bath for relaxation. Steam. Used for chest congestion. 4. Breadfruit tree leaves. Breadfruit is a Jamaican staple, and the leaves carry their own powerful remedies. Benefits: helps high blood pressure, supports kidney health, reduces inflammation, cleanses the blood, strengthens the heart. How to use: tea. Break 1 medium leaf into pieces, wash and boil for 15 minutes. Blood cleanser. Drink 2 to 3 times a week. Kidney tonic. Combine with a small piece of ginger when boiling. 5. Lime tree leaves. In almost every Jamaican yard, a lime tree stands tall, and the leaves carry healing oils. Benefits: clears mucus, helps cold, flu, and sinus, calms nerves, supports digestion, helps with headaches when used as steam. How to use: tea. Boil 4 to 6 leaves in water for 8 to 10 minutes. Steam inhalation. Crush the leaves and breathe in the aroma. Bath. Add to bath water for relaxation. 6. June plum leaves. June plum is famous for its tangy fruit, but the leaves are just as powerful. Benefits: helps with high blood pressure, reduces inflammation, supports weight loss, strengthens the immune system, helps with kidney cleansing. How to use: tea. Boil 5 to 7 leaves for 10 minutes. Detox. Drink. Combine with ginger and lemon. Daily tonic. Drink 1 cup per day for general wellness. 7. Ackee tree leaves. Though the ackee fruit must be prepared safely, the leaves have long been used in Jamaican herbal traditions. Benefits: helps with skin infections, reduces pain, supports wound healing, helps joint aches, natural anti-inflammatory. How to use. Poultice. Crush fresh leaves and apply to minor skin irritations. Tea. Boil a small handful of leaves for 10 minutes. Bath. Add leaves to warm bath water for pain relief. Across Jamaica, these fruit trees are more than food. They are medicine cabinets growing in the sunlight. Generations have relied on these leaves for healing, strength, and wellness. Whether boiled as tea, used as steam, or prepared in a bath, each leaf carries the wisdom of the ancestors. In a world turning back to natural solutions, these Jamaican fruit trees stand tall as reminders that sometimes the best remedies grow right in the backyard. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to hear more of Jamaican's culture. Until next time, walk good.